Earth is a special planet. It gives us liquid water, a protective atmosphere, fertile soil, and oxygen-rich air. But instead of being appreciative, we consume, pollute, and abuse this planet. It's not too late to turn a new leaf, so we present simple ways to reduce. A simple thing as choosing to be a locavore makes all the difference to the world. I'm here at the Farm Patch Market, where they grow and sell food locally. I'm going to tell you why eating local is environmentally friendly. One way you can help the environment is by paying attention to something you need every day, which is food. There are no additives or preservatives in food that keep food lasting longer on the shelves. Also, when you buy locally, there's no packaging, so you don't have to worry about using tons of plastics and cardboards in your food. Buying and eating food locally is so good for the environment in many ways. One way is that it cuts down on transportation. Food usually travels 1,500 miles just to get to your mouth from a typical big chain grocery store. Why don't you try challenging yourself for a meal? Did you know that meat production accounts for 18% of the greenhouse gases, and that 37% of meat production accounts for the methane that's put into the atmosphere? Why don't you go without meat just for one meal? Just try it.
The EPA estimates that the U.S. produces upwards of 11 billion tons of waste per year, which is equal to about 2/3 of a ton per person. And with American citizens adopting an out-of-sight, out-of-mind policy when it comes to their waste, the repercussions are quickly building up. Here at the College Station landfill, you can see what is truly happening to your waste. A simple way to reduce your impact is to create a compost heap that you can keep in your backyard. Welcome to Composting 101. The material list is really short. All you're going to need is a plastic bin like this, just something that you have lying around the house. But make sure to punch some holes in the bottom because it'll help with the aeration. You need your organic waste, obviously, and dirt. So you just take your plastic bin. Sometimes it's easier if you put cardboard at the bottom. Your organic waste, dump it right in. And then you'll take your dirt and cover your organic waste. It'll keep the waste from drying out, and it will also, the bacteria that's in the soil will help break down all of your waste. And there you go. Compost. Now when you choose where to put it in your backyard, you want to make sure you keep it out of full sunlight to keep it from drying out. And there you go. In 2 months you're going to have compost ready to use.
And we're here out at Lake Bryan today to talk about my segment of pollution on our land, water, and air. I bet y'all didn't know that every year the U.S. factories release over 3 million tons of toxic chemicals into our land, air, and water. This hazardous waste causes us to lose over 15 million acres of land every year. It causes respiratory problems and other health issues. These chemicals can pollute our lakes, rivers, to where we can't even swim or drink from them. And where are we going to get our water from when it comes down to the fact that we pollute everything that is our water source? Pollution is caused by industrial and commercial waste, agricultural practices, everyday human activities, and most notably, modes of transportation.
Water, the most abundant substance on the biosphere, be it one that is rapidly declining. Have you ever thought about how much water it takes to take a shower, to brush your teeth, or even to flush the toilet? We as humans use water on a day-to-day basis. As college students, it is easier to conserve water, and I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can do so.
1. Take shorter showers. When taking a shower, we use up to 40 gallons with each shower use. An easier way to cut down on our shower use is to soap up first and then only turn the shower on to rinse. 2. Flush the toilet only when needed. Each time you flush the toilet, you're using about 3 to 4 gallons of water. The best way to conserve our water use when flushing the toilet is only to flush it when necessary and to limit your flushes each day. 3. Turn off your water when wetting your toothbrush. We generally leave the water running while brushing our teeth or even washing our face. A better way to conserve water while brushing our teeth is to fill up a glass of water and wet your toothbrush and then